doing it right. Happily listen, happy to stay, happily watching her drift. You keep on turning pages for people who don't care, people who don't care, people who don't care about you. And still it takes you ages to see that no one's there, see that no one's there. Everyone's gone on without you. Finally something, finally news about how the story ends. She doesn't exist now, survived by her son and all of her brand new friends. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that cool? And isn't it cruel? And aren't I a fool to have happily listened, happily stayed, happily watching her
Full disclosure, I am a monster, a creature of despair. Not that that should be a cause for concern. If there's one thing I've learned in all my years here, it's that despair is less abundant in those who understand how to plant their hearts in community gardens. You'll be fine, you honeycomb. Who could ever hurt you? Who could be so cold? You'll be fine, oh honey pie. Who could ever hurt you? Who could be so unkind? The culmination of man's mistakes came the day the sun ran so hot it turned the desert to glass. If there's something to be learned from all these losers, it's that the price that you pay for arrogance and a false sense of immunity is to face the wrath of a dying star. You'll be fine, you honeycomb. Who could ever hurt you? Who could be so cold? You'll be fine, oh honey pie. Who could ever hurt you? Who could be so unkind?
The years have been hard on this lonely heart. If you want to know the truth, there's no more community gardens. So I guess I'll have to settle for you.
Do I need it? No. Am I under control? Can I beat it? Wake up. If it's swallowing me whole, would I see it?
I can make you feel alive.
I know, but do I need you to survive?
Just a sip,
Does it still matter which one?
just a drip.
Am I dumbfounded?